for AC/DC. Yeah, let's go. I love joining Go Back to UK. These guys like never move. He's not wearing the red jumpsuit, so. Ooh, I forgot to move his hand. Oh wait, that's right. I gotta talk louder. Tico. This guy's tough. Oh yeah. This guy's good. I know. What's up, man? You want to see it grow? Oh, Sharon! One second. This guy's funny. I like this guy. He's like, I could do anything to him. Peachy! Let me see her, man. Oh, what's he got on there? Brings back the old days. What's in it? Makes me kind of wanna. No, not that far. Sorry. I take off my socks though. No? Put my hat back on. Oh man, you got a filthy room. I'm supposed to clean up in here, maybe. Did he just move? I'm not kidding, did he just move? He did it again! This guy's go. If only I had football. Just red as nuts. Watch me get him to move. Holy crap, this guy's good. Maybe it needs to be longer. Yeah. Oh god, he farted! Man, he farted! What's wrong with this guy? He freaking farted! Oh my god! Do you have eggs for breakfast or something? I can't start it! It's alright. I wonder what he uses this for. Oh, it's gotta be like a super thick condom or something. Pretty thin. Why do you plug this thing in? I got him to move! It kinda hurt, but I got him to move. He's so weak. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry. Just kidding. Let's see if I can plug it in again. Go from a distance, I see his hand moving, he's right to hit me. It's like a dangerous black mamba or something. Wow. Let's go. Oh, y'all. You like playing cowboy, don't you? Yeah, giddy up. Oh my God, he's moving. He's moving. I told you I'd get him moved. Ow, my hand. You got any flowers or something? Safety. He fought it again. I just need to get my hat back on. I want my hat back. I'll aim away from you. Bad boy. Bad boy. No. Bad boy. Oh, crap. You're all collection of cars. Would you stop with the hat? Oh my God. What? No. What did the hat do to you? Let's go jump rope. I'm walking away. What the crap? No! I can't get back now. I don't want to do it anymore. Crap. I'll find another one. That's not how you jump rope. You don't look very British. This is what he does with his mom. Yeah, I'll show you how to jump rope. Do the ball thing. No, not that, not that ball, that one. I want my hat back, please. Oh, shut it off. No. Oh, shut it off. Oh God! Where'd the hat go? I found my hat. Boing. This isn't very nice. You know, he really struck me. Holy crap! He's got a bloody knife! Never mind. Where'd it go? Where'd you put your knife? Okay, okay. Oh boy. Oh. You don't got nothing.